Stumbled across a YX file while digging through old Yamaha synthesizer archives? This is a vintage voice patch file from the SY-series workstations. I'm Evan Brooks, certified support engineer, and let's get these classic Yamaha sounds loaded up and playing again. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for YX files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. YX files are voice patch files, created by Yamaha SY-series synthesizers, including the SY77 and SY99 workstations. They store synthesizer voice parameters, including AWM sample selections, AFM operator settings, envelope shapes, filter configurations, and effects, routing for sound recall on compatible Yamaha hardware and editor software. YX voice files use a Yamaha-specific binary structure, storing voice patch data with parameter blocks for AWM sample-based and AFM frequency modulation synthesis sections. The format includes operator algorithms, envelope generators, LFO settings, filter parameters, and effects assignments, matching the SY-series internal voice architecture specifications. The industry standard application for YX is considered to be SoundDiver from eMagic. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows offers a basic preview, but sound shaping or analysis needs specialized audio tools. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your YX file and select Open With. Use SoundDiver if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If your YX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. You're dealing with a truly tricky YX file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, loading in SY editor software. Open the YX file using a SY-series voice editor such as SoundDiver or a dedicated SY77 SY99 librarian application. The editor displays voice parameters in a graphical interface allowing audition editing and transmission to the synthesizer via MIDI system exclusive messages for use on the original hardware. Next, transmitting via MIDI sysx. Use a MIDI sysx utility like MIDI aux or sysx librarian to transmit the YX file contents to a connected Yamaha SY-series synthesizer. Configure the MIDI interface, select the YX file, and send the sysx data to load the voice into the synthesizer's edit buffer or memory location. Finally, converting for modern use. Use voice conversion utilities or community-developed tools to translate YX voice data for use in software emulations or compatible hardware. Some SY-series VST emulations accept original voice data, enabling these classic patches to be played in modern DW environments without requiring vintage hardware ownership. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.